Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another unboxing video here and some first impressions. I have the tabletop sketchbox easel here that I'm very excited to open up and see. Everything comes nicely packaged there with some bubble wrap. And it is a little bit on the heavy side because it's really nice solid wood. And there are a lot of nice features with this. There's the piece right there, of course. You're going to put that down and then put your paper or sketchbook there. And then there's a really nice handle if you're going to take this outside or travel with it. And those little clips there are for the drawer that comes out. And one thing that I really liked on this is there's little feet on the bottom of this as well, so you're not going to scratch a table or anything. And then the back piece here lifts up, and there's different levels that you can adjust this to. So here is the side view. And there's that wooden piece that you can lift up and then choose whatever level you want there. So different angles, which is always nice. And then of course you just lay it flat when you're going to put everything away. And when you flip it around, there's those little feet that I mentioned. There's one in each corner. So that way you're not going to scratch any surface. And then again with those little clips, you can just flip them out and then pull out the drawer. And then for me, I had to take some stuff off my desk so I can show the full size here, and then pull out this drawer. And then it comes with a palette here that's also wood, which is nice. The drawer does come out really easy, and then you can see there's some nice dividers there. So you can put your brushes and different supplies. And that's just like a little finger grip for when you pull out the drawer. And here I just wanted to show some size references of what actually fits in here. So you can fit a smaller palette of your gouache or acrylic paints. And then of course, I'm going to put my gouache tubes in here and some brushes as well. Also with the brush area, or whatever you decide to put in here, I wanted to put my brushes, but I have some really the long stem brushes, and I was very excited to see that they actually fit in here. Some of them just made it, which is nice because I always have these just in a mason jar on my desk. And then of course you could fit your smaller ones in there too. And then when you're all done with your art supplies there, you can put your palette and rest it on the top and then close everything up. You can definitely fit a lot of art supplies in here. You can put your washi tape and some other tools that you use, and you can definitely squeeze more paint tubes up in the back as well. Yep, overall, I'm very happy and excited to try out my new easel here. And yeah, I will leave a link down below for anyone who's interested in purchasing this or anything else from Meeden. You can use my coupon code, it's Suzanne10, down in the description down below.